Hi, I'm Isa Baksa. Welcome to Isang Manunulat Shorts. Today's topic is 6 bad clients freelance writers should avoid, Part 6. This is the 6th example of a bad client, the miser, the client who wants premium work at a bargain price. You'll find misers everywhere, mostly on job boards, always looking for the cheapest deal. During my first month of freelancing, I once had a client who, after hearing my hourly rate, asked if he could pay half since I'd only be writing for 30 minutes. And for some reason, I agreed. 30 minutes for 50% of my hourly rate sounded fair at first. Thankfully, that project didn't last long. If I think about it now, I just gave that client a 50% discount for a gig regardless if I wrote the project for 30 minutes or 1 hour. I learned my lesson. Here's the truth. Quality work has value. And as freelance writers, we need to stand our ground. If a client doesn't respect your rate, they won't respect your work. So to all freelancers out there, don't settle for anything less. Know your worth and charge accordingly. Visit isangmanunulat.com and read the full blog post. Thanks for watching.